Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400. Known for its approachable performance, sharp styling, and everyday versatility, the Ninja 400 has been the stepping stone for countless riders worldwide. The 2026 model takes this legacy further with fresh updates in design, efficiency, and technology. Let's take a closer look at why this new Ninja 400 stands out in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Ninja 400 arrives with sharper, more aggressive bodywork inspired by its bigger Ninja siblings. Kawasaki has updated the front fascia with sleeker LED headlights and refined fairings for improved aerodynamics. The new paint schemes and sportier graphics enhance its track-ready presence while still keeping it stylish for daily use. Compact, athletic, and unmistakably ninja, it continues to strike the perfect balance between beginner-friendly and premium appeal. Performance and powertrain. At its heart, the Ninja 400 is powered by a proven 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth, responsive performance. For 2026, Kawasaki has fine-tuned the fuel injection system for improved throttle control and slightly better efficiency. The 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch ensures confidence for new riders while still offering excitement for experienced ones. Light handling and a well-balanced chassis make it equally capable in city traffic and weekend twisties. Safety and technology. Kawasaki has equipped the 2026 Ninja 400 with modern rider aids to boost confidence. Dual-channel ABS is standard, while the updated LCD instrument cluster offers clearer visibility and smartphone connectivity. LED lighting all around improves safety and adds a premium touch. The ergonomics remain versatile, offering a sporty yet comfortable riding position for both short commutes and longer journeys. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 proves once again why it's one of the best sport bikes for new and seasoned riders alike. With its aggressive design, refined performance, and modern features, it continues to deliver outstanding value and versatility. Whether you're starting your riding journey or looking for a fun everyday sport bike, the Ninja 400 is ready to impress. Stay tuned to my channel for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that matter most.